Imagine creating an entire online course, a full website, a community, and launching your digital business, all in under 1 hour. No tech headaches, no hiring designers, no juggling 10 different tools. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Today, I'm showing you a game-changing AI platform called Skillplate. An all-in-one powerhouse that lets you create courses, build communities, sell digital products, and launch your entire brand effortlessly. If you've ever wanted to turn your knowledge into income, this is the platform to watch. What Skillplate does. Skillplate eliminates the stress of setting up websites, managing payments, building funnels, writing copy, or even creating course content. Everything is powered by AI, and everything is under one dashboard. Sell your expertise with ease. Want to sell online courses? Offer coaching, build paid communities, release digital downloads or bundles. Skillplate lets you launch each of these in just a few clicks. Video courses, text-based lessons, private member communities, digital files, coaching programs, everything is already built in. You just plug in your idea and Skillplate does the rest. AI content creation that saves hours. Here's the magic. You can go from idea to a complete digital product using AI. It writes your landing page copy, your course outline, your lesson structure, and more. No writers, no editors, no complicated tools. Branded websites in minutes. You can build a fully branded website using their customizable templates. Upload your logo, add your colors, pick your fonts, and Skillplate instantly generates pages that look professional and clean. Plus, your customers get a seamless branded checkout and a members-only portal. Run your whole digital business in one place. Skillplate isn't just for creating products, it manages your entire business. Products, orders, payments, email marketing, automations, funnels, global currency support, 135 plus currencies, 22 languages. You can even run promotions, pre-sales, bundles, and all-access passes with just a few clicks. Course and community features. It also includes easy drag-and-drop course builder, CRM and email marketing tools, quizzes and exams, certifications, resource libraries, live sessions and coaching calls, calendar integrations, upsells and cross-sells, Discord community automation. This is everything creators usually pay hundreds of dollars per month for, packed into a single platform. Why Skillplate was built? Creators were tired of juggling multiple tools, wasting time on tech setups, and spending months building a product that should take days. Skillplate solves that by giving solopreneurs, educators, and coaches a streamlined system that actually saves time. Very important. And here's the best part. You're not paying monthly. You're not paying yearly. Right now, you can get Skillplate for a one-time payment of just $79. That's 92% off the regular $948 price. This is a lifetime deal, meaning you pay once and own it forever. Check the link in the description or in the pinned comment section to grab the deal. If you've ever wanted to launch a course, build a community, sell digital products, or simply create a new income stream, Skillplate removes every obstacle. This is one of the easiest ways to turn your knowledge into real income with almost no friction. So if you're ready to transform your ideas into digital products and build your brand the smart way, go ahead and check the link in the description or in the pinned comment. This lifetime deal won't last forever.